Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to post a job in LinkedIn. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be working a company in IT department or etc. Or you might be have a company and you would like to create a job offer in your LinkedIn account. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. Open your web browser and log in to your LinkedIn account. After open or logged in your LinkedIn account, you're going to find here in the upper side this job section. Simply click over there. In the left side, you're going to find here something say post a job, a free jobs. After click over post a free job, we're going to see screen appear just like this. You can choose here job title. So I'm going to type here IT manager. This is the job title we have offer right now. So you're going to type here IT manager and you have to type the company name, which company currently you are working or for which company you want to offer. Anyway, and then you're going to click here remote place type, how the job's going to be on site, hybrid or remote. So you can easily choose any job details and then job location. So you're going to type here Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and then job type. Is it full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer or internship? You can choose any. I'm going to choose here full-time and I'm going to click here get started for free. And let me see what is the next step. This is a step tell us about the role. So you have to write here details about your job description, what the person he has to do, or what is your work, and what the qualification he should have. Access the whole details you need to write in this skin. Also you can add the skill, different skill. You can go here add a skill. For example, I'm going to type here graphic designer, and then you can also add more skills that person has. Also you can there you can see 3 or 4 skills there. We can just delete if you don't need, and then click it here next. After that, we're going to see skin appear just like this. You can receive applicant collection through your email, or you can choose external website. You can just simply add your website here, and you will get all this application collection through your website. Let me choose the email, and then here I'm going to type here my email address, and here is the scanning question, 3 or more questions. So the person who has the graphic designer, how many year he should have experience, you can type here, and then IT operation, how many year you can type here. Also you can choose must have qualification. You can also add that. Also you can add his education. You can add, so here you can type here diploma. Let me type here diploma, bachelor degree, must have bachelor degree. You can type. So whatever qualification you need or ask the question, you can add in this scheme. After that, you scroll down, and here something say filter out and send rejection to applicant who don't meet any must have qualification. You can check this, so later on whoever collaborate with this job or seeking this job, if they doesn't have this must have qualification, those applicant you will not receive those applicant requests, so which will be save your time. And you can click here post job for free. So in this simple way you can easily post a job in your LinkedIn. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.